All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I was sitting around and I realized I couldn't find my tempered glass for my S25 Plus. So I said, wait a minute, you still got a few Galaxy S24 brand new protectors right in the box. So this is my protector from the S24 Plus, and it will in fact fit this phone because they both have the same display, 6.7 inches, 2600 nits of brightness. So nonetheless, I already cut the seal. This is brand new in the box and it's been sitting since last year. And I said, man, I've got to get this out and I'm going to use it. So here's what it is. I can't believe I never used this all the years it was sitting here. Just some instructions in here. And that's for anyone. If you have the Galaxy S24 stuff laying around, it definitely will fit. And so this is what you get. I ordered this when I ordered the phone a long time ago just last year. I said a long time, but last year when I ordered my S24 Plus, I ordered this too. And so here's what you get. You get the microfiber cloth. This will attach down on the bottom area right here, like this, more than likely. Oh, it goes around the camera module. Oh, and it still works around the camera module. Even though the camera modules are bigger and a little bit off, it still works. Yeah, and it's some sticky tabs here to hold it in place. So I will be doing that. So let me just try that real quick. That's just a little sticky things to hold it in place. And again, I've never opened this up, so this is interesting. There it is. It literally holds itself in place so you can put the tempered glass on, or the screen protector, I mean. And so here it is right here. Oh, you get two of them. I didn't know that. Okay, because I've never opened this box. So this is cool. I've got a backup now for my glass, and I'll go ahead and set this aside. And then let's go ahead and open it up. It says use scissors, but got my jerry rig knife that I got for $9. If you didn't order this for $9, you're slipping, because he left it for $9 for a long time. That's if you just want to support Zach. That's all. I mean, there obviously you can find other blades that are much cheaper in price, but if you want to support Zach, he's definitely a cool cat, and I rock with him heavy, so I bought one. So here's the microfiber cloth right here. Dust removal tool. I won't do any kind of cleaning or anything like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and let's see here. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, so this will go on first, like this, and one comes off first. So you'll peel one off. Here's one. Oh, okay. So it says peel one off like this. Oh, okay, I got it. There's a little area exposed under there. So you peel one off. You put this down on here like this, like that. But first, I got to peel off this tab here because this is brand new out of the box from Samsung. And then I'm going to use my dust removal tool, even though I don't really need to use this dust removal tool. Again, it's brand new. There could be, like there was something right there. Now I'm going to peel off one, as it says to peel off one. I'm going to hit it again. And then I'm going to drop it down. Oh, you know what? Here, I found the problem already. Look, this is backwards because the camera module is up here. So yeah, that's definitely not going to work. I'm going to put this on the bottom like this. And now it'll work like this because the camera module's up there. So I'm glad I caught that. Again, I'm freestyling this. So, and then this is the same size screen though, so this will work. Ooh, I'm so glad I caught that. I look crazy. So we're gonna put this back down, and same thing, it works all the same. Line it up here, just like that. When you move, I move. Is a song like that? Just like that. All right, so there you go. So now I'm going to peel off two, which two is gonna be like this. Do I have this backwards, man? No, I got it on right. Cause yeah, I got it on right. All right, here we go. Okay, I was tripping. I was like, man, am I doing this wrong? But I don't mind putting out videos like this because I love to explore. I make mistakes on videos sometimes. People get all mad about it. Like, man, it's just I'm human, dude. It's just a mistake. But let's go ahead and lift here. And boom. So man, this works out perfect. If you have a Galaxy S24 screen protector laying around, as I said before many times, this is ultimately kind of like the same phone in a lot of respects. Some people get a little mad about that, like I said, but don't be mad. It is, in fact, still kind of the same phone. So let's go ahead and put this down here so I can protect my cameras, because this phone hasn't even been booted up yet. I'll boot it up in this video, but here's two. And this is a anti-reflective screen protector from Samsung too. So pretty nice. There you go. This went on flawlessly, man. I had to move the little module or whatever, but it works out good, man. Now the first boot is coming right now of this phone, which I have not even powered on yet at the recording of this video, but we're going to get into it. I had to film like an impressions and unboxing first, but there it is, man. So the screen protector lines up perfectly, and obviously it would, because they're the same size screen. So I definitely employ you, and I encourage you to go to Samsung's website and look up the, oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, I'm not even going to buy any other screen protectors. Yeah, this is nice. So before it links to the phone I'm recording with, which is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, definitely works. It looks good. Anti-reflective screen protector from Samsung. Now these phones, I believe, already have an anti-reflective, at least the Ultra does. I didn't do much research on this phone for the anti-reflective, but yeah, this is definitely really nice to have now. I'm feeling it. Yeah, this is really nice. So there it is, folks. The screen protector is installed. Went on nice and smooth. Just remember, if you're doing this, if you have this particular one, make sure you put the module in the right spot. Don't be like me and have it flipped to the wrong way. anything is possible, man. You make mistakes, you learn. But yeah, man, I'm pretty excited to finally get this in, and I'm happy about it. So I've got it all taken care of. The phone is really nice and premium feeling. So now I got to start using it alongside the phone I'm recording with, which is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The S25 lineup is here. Let's continue this coverage for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. This is a nice little hack I got right here.